rocket launcher. Biggie stomped ya, high as a motherfucking helicopter. That's why I pack a Nina, fuck a misdemeanor. Beating motherfuckers like Ike beat Tina. What's up,
Little night motor vlogging for you guys. So I was riding around all day yesterday, and my GoPro didn't want to record. It was recording for a good 10 minutes and then it shut off by itself. And I had no idea it shut off, so I kept on thinking I was recording when I really wasn't. I fucking wasted the whole day. And I was so pissed off, and I was just like, man, I'm just gonna stay home and just leave my bike at home because I'm too pissed off. I got a lot of good footage too. What are you doing?
10K is the gay bar.
Swag. I can't wheelie. They wanted me to wheelie, but I can't. I was like, I can't wheelie. That view though. Oh, about to hit the wall. Shit. A lot of good times we had up here. Alex Van Sofet. Watch, he'll take off. Nope. Oh, because he's turning. If it was a straightaway, he definitely would have took off. He does it all the time. I feel like I'm about to hit the ceiling. Ugh, look how close it is. Holy shit. Yeah. 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 What a crusty ass van. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What an awesome place to throw away your cup. Last time I checked, there's a trash can over here. Right there. Right there.
They're going to the gay bar, I bet. There are a couple of queers.
One time I walked into a gay bar and I thought it was just a regular bar. It was kind of weird because the chicks in there looked really manly and it was freaking me out a little bit. I think Johnny was all this.
Hello, it's me.
Why was she staring at me like that? The most awkward stare ever. Yeah. What fuck? I don't know if she was saying something. She might have been. Looks like she was trying to say something. I don't know. Maybe she was laughing. I should have told her to eat a dick. I did. She didn't even look old enough to drive that car. Hence, no tags. No tags. No fucks given. I metaphorically blew a kiss at her with my helmet on. Now they're following me. That's why, I don't know, girls love bikes. Why? What makes two wheels and fucking plastic and metal woven together into one to make a fucking rocket with two wheels that makes girls go crazy? I don't know. I'm thinking maybe it has to do with something about our gear. We're wearing all this gear, maybe it's like a mystery or something. We have that mysterious effect or something.
get back, Jennifer, you're gonna be 41.
She was like, let me see what you look like. I'm like, bitch, I'm the man of your wildest dreams. What's going on, Alex? These girls are still following me. What is going on? I think she was serious about seeing my face. I was trying to pose for him. What's up, dude? Sorry, cruising around, man. Nothing, just working, riding. Yeah, I got a mic in my helmet I talk into.
Retired the vet for a bit?
Huh?
Retired the vet for a bit?
My buddy totaled it.
What?
Yeah, it's gone.
Dude, you just got that thing.
I know. My third one in 3 years, man.
Damn.
Yeah.
You have no luck with vets.
Fuck no, man.
Well,
No luck with cars.
I know one you had, but that probably would have ended up gotten wrecked too.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna get.
Well, is your buddy paying for it?
No, my insurance is paying for it.
Yeah. But,
Dude, if you boosted this thing, it'd have some decent power.
yeah, man, no, I'm just gonna DC swap it. Honey, I really wish I would have bought that Evo.
Yeah. Everything happens for a reason, man.
It's true, man. I'm probably more suited to CJZ anyway. So I need to put that bullshit on the hood too.
Is that rust?
Mailbox.
Oh. Damn, dude. Hitting some mailboxes and shit. Alright, man. Drive safe.
Alright. Ride safe, bro.
Thanks, buddy. I'll see you. You'll probably be in one of my moto vlogs.